Dear authors, we now present the instructions on how to submit your manuscript for the 21st International Multidisciplinary Congress on Science and Technology, CIT 2026. First, please access the following link, /meteor.springer.com/CIT226. If you do not yet have an account, please register using your personal information. Once registered, log in using your username and password. Within the platform, go to the My Papers section and select the Add Paper option. Enter the title of your manuscript and choose the corresponding track. Please note that the manuscript must be written in English and formatted using the Springer template. Next, upload your document and add the information of all authors participating in the manuscript. Please note that once the author's information has been entered, it cannot be modified. Finally, click Submit. By following these steps, your manuscript will be successfully uploaded for CIT 2026. For more information about registration fees and other details, please visit the CIT website, w.edu.ec/2026/. We look forward to seeing you soon.